Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to talk about Market Pro Home Buyers. What it is a real estate company that buy your house as is, and they pay for closing costs, and you don't have to deal with commission, and you don't have to pay, and you can close on your own schedule. First thing they do is you can contact them by phone, or local from there. Open 24 hours. The office maybe not open 24 hours. There may be like a standard. I mean, their phone line's open 24 hours. Yeah, let's dive into the website and what it's all about. You can sell a house where we buy. Their location, they buy in Washington, D.C., Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania. So, only in the East Coast. If you have any house in there, you can get a quote online. There's like a group of like 30 people. The owner is Dan Bronstein. He's the owner of the company, and it has been checked by the Better Business Bureau, accredited. So, first thing, when you want to sell a house, you schedule a visit, they give you a cash offer. Then you don't have to deal with closing costs, repair, realtor fees, or any of that. And close on your own side, and they can accommodate, give you full control over the process. So they have like a list of steps how they do. No legal work, no inspection, no hassle. They just buy the property as is. I mean, even if it's a horrible condition, they'll give it to you. Why they buy these houses is pretty much they buy these houses and then later they're gonna fix up the house and then later sell it to another buyer to make a profit, which can range about 20 to 30%, depends on the area. And there's a lot of research. And also, check out my financial tip video, which I'll talk about how to save money and how to manage a budget for your daily expenses, how to pay off mortgage much faster, how to invest in stocks, commodities, in other entities, and how to save money with coupons when you do grocery or buy anything online. There's a lot of videos that'll be coming up. It's a relatively new playlist. Okay, let's see about the quote part. Okay, you type in your address, name, phone number, give an email, how'd you find us, direct mail or something like that. The get offer section. Uh, I'll enter this information to see how they do on the inside, so you guys can see like the inside, how they. I haven't used them because I don't need them right now. They say get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to speak with someone, just call the phone number. How they have homeowners who are downsizing, inheritance, power of attorney issues, owners distressed homes. That's what the companies help people who want to get rid of their house. They inherit it from their parents, and you don't want to deal with legal fees. And they just buy the property as is. You don't need to do any repairs on it, as you specify. And they send like direct mail, so you should be able to read some of the information. But it'll give you a website. Homeowners, financial distress, landlords, rental property, probate issues, senior transition to new housing. Because property taxes increases a lot. It depends on the state, and depends on how much your house is worth, which I'll explain in another video. Right here, they got a lot of information. You can see their team. If you meet the team, I think they have like who they have. The president of the company is Jeanette Winstead. The business started in 2012. Successful real estate investing. And then they call it Market Pro Home Buyer. Oh wait, that's the name for it. Show. Oh, it's people in the show. The computer trade show, business and multi. Spend traveling. Danny Bronstein is the co-founder. So pretty much he's the second founder of the company. He has dealt with wealth renovation, Bohat, so he's a real estate agent, and he has purchased and sold over 300 residential property. He was a real estate agent in 1985. He deal with home improvement projects, so it's pretty much called flipping houses. But it's like rehab, fixing your houses, and his bachelor degree in marketing. Rodman Hogan is the chief operating officer. Ray Falter, home buying specialist. They have a lot of home buying specialists, about 3. What they do is they deal with mortgages, real estate, the law, everything you need to know about for first-time home buyers. And they have people for like the Pennsylvania market, DMV, transaction, deal with purchase, sales, and wholesale transaction. Assistant. They have managers, they manage business development, data scientists, and engineer, which pretty much is like your cybersecurity team. They also have marketing for depending on the local area. You can read everything about the company from each person. Sales associates is based on like commissions. They have a lot of those. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to everyone so everybody know about Market Pro Home Buyers. If you're wanting to sell a house, or they can help you with the buying process, but they're not real estate. They are like a real estate broker license, but they just buy houses and sell it. So usually you pay about 3 to 6% for a real estate agent for listing and so forth. We'll talk in my next videos. And I hope to see you guys next time.